Time stops for no man, but what forms the process of continuous change that we see and feel as the flow of time? Modern physics has no understanding of why we have an arrow of time with an unchangeable past and an uncertain future. But I am on YouTube to promote a theory that explains time as a physical process that is unfolding at the quantum level of the atoms. In this theory, the atoms interact with light waves of electromagnetic radiation, forming their own future space-time geometry, relative to their energy and momentum, in other words, relative to their own actions. The atoms bond together and react with the light in unison. Therefore the atoms of the hand and eye will interact with the light waves just like any other object. In this theory, the beauty of creation is truly in the eye of the beholder. If our eyes were more sensitive to the light, we would be able to see that everything is radiating light waves continuously, forming rainbows of colour within a great dance of creation. The forward momentum of light is the driving force, forming the arrow of time, forming the uniqueness of every sunset, the individuality of every life form, creating an infinity of possibilities at every degree and angle of space-time, creating a blank canvas that we can interact with, forming the possible into the actual, in the form of art and poetry. The other day I came across a poem that beautifully fits with this theory. It goes something like this: a pendulum swinging quite free, then it's always a marvel to me that each tick plus each tock of the grandfather clock is 2 pi root L over G. The T is the time period of the swing, the L is the length of the pendulum, and the G is the acceleration of gravity. Therefore we can see that time has a dynamic geometry forming the curvature of space-time. And if we look down into the atoms, we find 2 pi linked to the Planck constant of quantum mechanics, representing a constant of action in the flow of time. The uncertainty and probability we find in quantum mechanics is the same uncertainty we have with any future event. Please subscribe and rate. This will help in the promotion of this theory.